गुड इवनिंग ऑल। हेलो, कैसे हो आप सब? बेसिकली क्या है, टाइम कम है तो हम थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चनिंग पे ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं। थ्योरी हम बाद में भी कवर कर लेंगे जहाँ तक होगा उसके आगे का, ठीक है। सो हम क्वेश्चनिंग कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चनिंग है हमारे आंसर that choose the correct statement from the following. And the question we are having here, having the option here and contingent contract. There is always reciprocal promise. Third parties may have an interest in contingent contract. Then contingent contracts are never binding. And the certain, if the uncertain future event becomes impossible, contingent and contracts between valid. So if the uncertain future events become impossible, contingent contracts become valid. So we are having here option to choose the correct answer from the options given below, right? Okay. तो मैं आप लोग को 5 मिनट का टाइम दे रही हूँ। आप लोग क्वेश्चनिंग देख लो, आंसर्स जो आप लोग को सही लगे आप मुझे बताना। उसके बाद नहीं तो फिर आई विल टेल यू ऑल। Okay, so मैं आंसर्स आप लोगों को है एक बार देख लेती हूँ। करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट का है इसमें, लाइक फर्स्ट वी आर हैविंग द in contingent contract there is always reciprocal promise. Third parties may have interest in contingent contract, and contingent contracts are never agreed, and if the uncertain future even becomes impossible, contingent contracts become valid, right? तो इसमें आप लोग को समझ में आंसर क्या है, द वे आई एम टेलिंग दिस एक बार आपको मैच कर लेना। इसका आंसर होगा 8, राइट? दैट इज बी एंड सी ओनली, दैट इज in contingent contracts there is always reciprocal promise. This is a correct statement as well as the contingent contracts are never varying. Okay, B and C only. अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं further question पे। We are having the Central Administrative Tribunal (CAT). The Central Administrative Tribunal (CAT) derive their constitutional validity from Central Administrative Tribunal (CAT) derive their constitutional validity from, that is, so we are having here answers the 2 का C है, that is Article 326, right? The Central Administrative Tribunal can derive their constitutional validity from Article 326, right? Okay. Now we are having the context of international human rights, UDHR stand for. The context of international human rights, UDHR stand for. 2 मिनट का आप लोग को समय दे रही हूँ, आप लोग क्वेश्चन देखो। So we are having the context of international human rights, UDHR stand for. That is universal definition of human rights, right? UDHR stand for universal definition of human rights, right? Okay. Now we are having which of the following is not a duty of an ombudsman, right? Ombudsman क्या है? Which of the following is not a duty of ombudsman? Ombudsman क्या है? एक बार आप लोग पता करना, ठीक है? फिर मैं बाद में बताऊंगी आप लोगों को आफ्टर द क्वेश्चनिंग। इसका आंसर क्या है? आप लोग जरा देखो, मुझे कुछ कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हो तो। Yes. तो इसका आंसर होगा इन्वेस्टिगेट कंप्लेंट्स, राइट? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ ड्यूटी ऑफ एन ombudsman? दैट इज एंड इन्वेस्टिगेट complaints, right? Complaints. Investigate complaints जो है is not a duty of ombudsman, right? Okay. Now we are having who acts as the ex officio member of the state bar counseling in each respective state. Who acts as the ex officio member of the state bar counseling in each respective state. That is, इसका आंसर क्या होगा? का आंसर होना चाहिए सॉलिसिटर जनरल, ए, राइट? Solicitor General, who acts as the ex officio member of the state bar counseling in each respective state, right? Okay. Six क्या है हमारा? Established and all Indian bar council. Established and all India bar council, इसका क्या है? Wait a minute, wait a minute, I was taking. इसका आंसर होगा हमारा bar council. Established and all India bar council. Tell me the answers of that. We're having the answer here. It is of, I guess, the Advocates Act established an All India Bar Council. So Advocates Act established in All India Bar Counseling. तो हमारा council, हमारा इसका आंसर C होगा. That is Advocates Act established an All India Bar Council. Okay. And इसके बाद है हमारा Now we are having the question, arrange the following in chronological order. What is the chronological order? आप बताइए होगा, right? Okay, so formation of International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, formation of WHO, formation of UNESCO, formation of League Nation. What is here? Formation of International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, formation of WHO, formation of UNESCO, formation of League Nation. That is, इसमें क्या पूछा है? Arrange the following in chronological order, right? Wait a minute, let me count the questions. Wait a minute. Wait, huh? Okay. Wait. It's okay. So focus on the question, and after that, I will tell you the answer. So here we are having the answer is C, right? Right. That is C क्या है हमारा? DACE. So DACE क्या है? D है मतलब formation of league nations, then formation of international bank for reconstruction and development. Then we are having formation of a UNESCO. Then we are having E and B. Yeah, okay. So I guess we are not having E here. राइट सो यहाँ पे हमारा सी ही ऑप्शन है ई नहीं है यहाँ पे ऑप्शन में सो डी तक है सो इधर हमारा ई एंड बी क्या है फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डब्ल्यू राइट सो यहाँ पे है हमारा सी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट वन राइट which of the following is the duty of the attorney general of India right तो हमारा है which of the following is the duty of attorney general of India right so हमारा है to give advice to the state government upon the dispute between two states. What is it? First time our option to give advice to the government of India upon financial matters, then to give advice to the government of India upon legal matters. Now, third one is to give advice to the state government upon the dispute between two states, right? And to give advice to the government of India upon external matters. So here we are having the answer to give advice to the state government upon dispute between two states. ये है हमारा अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफ इंडिया का ड्यूटी राइट क्या है to give advice to the state government upon dispute between two states. Now we are having which principle was introduced by Supreme Court of India in the famous Bhopal gas leak? Which principle was introduced by the Supreme Court of India in the famous Bhopal gas leak case? We are having the answer here. It says absolute liability, right? So which introduced Supreme Court क्या किया था भोपाल गैस लीक केस में absolute liability. Which provision of the Evidence Act 1872 deals specifically with confession? Which provision of the Evidence Act 1872 deals specifically with confession? कौन सा act है? Evidence Act. इसका आंसर होगा that is section 17 which provision of Evidence Act 1872 deals specifically with confession that is section 17 right okay now doctrine of lis pendens right the doctrine of lis pendens emerged from the Latin maxim the doctrine of lis pendens emerged from the Latin maxim that is क्या है इसका आंसर आपको जरा देखो बताओ फिर मैं बताऊं इसका आंसर है, इसका आंसर है यूटिलाइट पेंडेंट निहिल इंट्रोवेटर, राइट? यूटिलाइट पेंडेंट निहिल इंट्रोवेटर, राइट? ओके, नाउ 12 है हमारा, दैट इज द एडवोकेट जनरल इज अ सीनियर लॉ ऑफिसर हु एक्ट्स एज एन, the advocate general is a senior law officer who acts as legal advisor to the advocate general is a senior law officer who acts as legal advisor to without central government, Supreme Court of India, High Court, State Government. कौन सा? It is state government, right? The advocate general is a senior law officer who acts as a legal advisor to state government, right? Now, in which of the case of women in sheet distension and imprisonment attempted, in which of the case a woman in sheet distension and imprisonment attempted to kill herself after failing in all the ways to arrange for food for her starving children, however, but since she knowingly committed the prohibitive act of attempting suicide, she was held guilty by the court. Wait a minute, just let me get to the, okay, wait. Yes. So tell me, कौन सा केस था जिसमें women in she distinction and imprisonment attempted to kill herself after failing in all the ways to arrange for food for her starving children. However, since she knowingly committed the prohibited act of attempted suicide, she was held guilty by the court. That is Ray Srirange case. Ray Srirange case. This I'm having, if I'm having the bad pronunciation, let it be. It's because I'm not able to, maybe I'm not able to correct it in the right pronunciation. So it's race, Siri, and gateway case, right? Now, आगे बढ़ते हैं 14th क्या हमारा, which article of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights 1976 provides for free legal assistance to an sued person? Which article of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights 1976 provides for free legal assistance to an accused person? कौन सा आर्टिकल? आर्टिकल 14(7 या आर्टिकल 14(3D, आर्टिकल 14(5 या आर्टिकल 14(6? कौन सा आर्टिकल है? Which article of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights 1976 provides for free legal assistance to an accused person? So it's article 14(3D, right? It's article 14(3D, जो कि हमारा इंटरनेशनल कन्वेंट ऑन सिविल एंड पॉलिटिकल राइट्स है, 1976 provides for free legal assistance to an accused person, right? Okay, पे आते हैं 15 पे हम, that is in which of the following cases was the validity of a contract between husband and wife in question? In which of the following cases was the validity of a contract between husband and wife in question? वो हमारा है बालफोर वी वर्सेस बालफोर, राइट? बालफोर वर्सेस बालफोर में was the validity of a contract between husband and wife in question, right? Okay. Which of the following entrance exam are taken by law aspirant in India? ये तो बहुत common है, right? I don't have to tell you all. इसमें है which of the following entrance exam are taken by the law aspirant in India? That is D. That is CLAT, LSAT, and A. ALET, right? ALET. That is CLAT, LSAT, and ALET, right? Now, X drank a soft drink and manufactured by Y. What is it? X drank a soft drink manufactured by Y. The drink had a decomposed snail in. The drink had a decomposed snail in the bottle that made X ill. Had a decomposed snail in that made the snail ill. Right? Snail. The drink had decomposed snail that made X. Okay, my bad. The drink had a decomposed snail in the bottle that made X ill, right? That made X ill. X will have to prove, right? X drank a soft drink manufactured by Y. The drink had a decomposed snail in the bottle that made X ill. X will have to prove. इसमें कौन सा है? Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Harm to claimant, conversion, duty to take care, breach of duty, unlawful harassment. कौन सा लगेगा? क्या कुछ आप लोग को समझ में आ रहा है क्वेश्चनिंग से? कौन सा इसमें एक्स विल हैव टू प्रूव? ये है हमारा दैट इज हार्म टू क्लेमेंट, राइट? हार्म टू क्लेमेंट, राइट? हमारा वेट वेट वेट, ये हमारा हार्म टू क्लेमेंट है, राइट? दैट इज हमारा इसमें क्या है? ए ऑप्शन है। ओके, माय बैड। हार्म टू क्लेमेंट नहीं है, ए ऑप्शन है, राइट? ओके, सो हमारा ए वेट, यस, ए ऑप्शन है। दैट इज ए, डी एंड सी ओनली। ए क्या है? हार्म टू क्लेमेंट तो है ही, बट डी जो है हमारा ब्रीच ऑफ ड्यूटी एज वेल एज ड्यूटी टू टेक केयर, लाइक दैट इज हार्म टू क्लेमेंट, ड्यूटी टू टेक केयर एंड ब्रीच ऑफ ड्यूटी, राइट? ये हमारे तीन है जो एक्स विल हैव टू प्रूव, राइट? Now, this provision of CRPC 1973 provided that if a man was charged with an offense punishable with it, my bad. Which of this provision of CRPC 1973 provided that if a man was charged with an offense punishable with death, the court could provide him with a counsel upon his request. So we are having here Which provision of CRPC 1973 provided that if a man was charged with an offense punishable with that, the court could provide him to with a counsel upon his request? Section 304(1), right? Section 304(1). Okay. Section 339 nahi, 341 nahi, 342 nahi, section 304(1). Now, the International Court of Justice, ICJ, is headquartered in the International Court of Justice, ICJ, is headquartered in International Court of Justice, ICJ, is a headquarter in Hague, right? Hague. The International Court of Justice is headquartered in Hague, not in Geneva, New York, Rome. It is in Hague, right? ओके ऑलराइट। चलो तो हमारा आज की क्वेश्चनिंग इधर से हो गई कंप्लीट। नेक्स्ट हम क्लास में और भी फर्दर क्वेश्चंस के साथ आएंगे, आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करते रहना। तो क्वेश्चन ना समझ में आए विद रीजन आप मुझे बताना, देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू द आंसर। ओके, थैंक यू।